So we get 75%. That means that 75, and how we would report this is that 75% of the spectators, so 75%, we would have to write this out, and I'm going to do my best to write this out. So 75% of spectators wore sunglasses. And that's how you would report that. So this would be your whole final answer that you would need to write down. So this is the work I would need to see and the final answer with it. Okay, last one. So at the same soccer game where 15 out of every 20 spectators were wearing sunglasses. So recall, I'm going to go back a slide. 15 out of every 20 spectators wore sunglasses at that soccer game. So we want to keep that number. So remember, the 15 out of every 20 spectators, that was 75% of the spectators were wearing sunglasses. 18 out of every 25 spectators were wearing hats. So we got sunglasses and we got hats. We don't know, were hats or sunglasses more popular? Well, we know right now that there's 75% of the spectators are wearing sunglasses. So we got to figure out of 100, how many spectators were wearing hats. And we want to know that percent. So we will go ahead and compare that. So we have 18 out of 25 here. We want to know the percent, or out of 100, how much would that be? So we have 25 and that we need to get to 100. I like to generally think of 25 as quarters. You know, how many quarters would you need to have to get to $1, get to 100 cents? Well, in this case, that would be 4. So you would multiply 25 by 4. If you weren't certain, you could pull out your calculator again, and you could do 100 divided by 25. Now we gotta find the division sign. And that would get you 4, which would be what you would multiply 25 by to get back to 100. So since we did that to the 25, we also have to do that to the 18. Now I don't expect you guys to know 18 times 4 off the top of your head. You could work it out, or since you have your calculator, you can go ahead and do 18 multiplied by 4. And that would get you 72. So 72 out of 100 were wearing hats, or one way that we would report that would be 72% of spectators. I'm going to write it all out. I'll do my best here. Spectators wore hats. Then we know that 75% wore sunglasses. So looking at this, which one were more popular? Well, it would be the sunglasses, because 75% is greater than 72%. So we would say sunglasses, write it all out here, were more, this is some really bad handwriting, I really need to fix this, were more popular. Okay. That would be your final answer there. And that's the math that we would use right here. This is the math that we would use to prove that. So I want to thank you guys for listening, watching. If you have any questions on this, please feel free to ask me. I highly recommend you can always go back and review any of the videos. You can try to answer them on your own first before I go over them. Whatever is going to make you feel more comfortable. But feel free, send me an email, comment on Google Classroom with any questions, comments, anything you guys have for me. This was really fun for me. Once again, hope you enjoyed it, and hope you guys have a fantabulous rest of your day. I'll see you guys on Thursday.